Let's talk about lower back pain. If you've been living with lower back pain, you already know how much it can take from you. It slows you down, it steals your energy, it affects your work, your mood, even your sleep. Maybe you've tried stretches and heat packs and over-the-counter meds or even a few visits to the doctor. But the pain always comes back. And that's because most solutions only deal with the symptom and they don't fix the problem at its true source. At Align Chiropractic, we help patients just like you finally break free from lower back pain, not just for a few days, but really for good. The reason lower back pain is so common is simple. Your lower spine carries the weight of your entire upper body. It absorbs more stress, pressure, and wear than almost any other area in your body every single day. That's why lower back pain is one of the leading causes of disability worldwide. And if it goes untreated, it doesn't just stay the same, it usually gets worse. Many of our patients come to us after 10 or even 20 years of dealing with pain. Sometimes it started with an old injury, sometimes it crept in slowly and just never went away. But the good news is, once we identify the real cause, we can correct it. And that's where true healing begins. At Align Chiropractic, we start every single case with a thorough consultation and examination. We want to understand your pain, when it started, what aggravates it, and really how it's affecting your life. Then we take you through a series of advanced tests, including a chiropractic assessment to check for spinal misalignments, orthopedic tests to evaluate joint function, neurological evaluations to assess the nerve health and any nerve irritation. You know, pain's a signal, but it's not always the source that the pain's at. That's why finding the true root of your pain is so important. And one of the most common causes we find for that pain is something called subluxation. That's when a spinal vertebra is misaligned or not moving properly, and it's putting pressure on nearby nerves and surrounding tissues, leading to symptoms like stiffness, inflammation, shooting pain down the leg, and even conditions like sciatica. Through gentle, targeted chiropractic adjustments, we restore the proper motion of the spine and we help your body to heal naturally without drugs and surgery. Most patients feel significant relief with just in a few visits, and the healing only continues from there. We also help to build a custom therapeutic exercise plan to strengthen your core and stabilize your spine, because the truth is, weak or imbalanced core muscles often are a big part of why the pain keeps coming back. For patients dealing with disc issues like herniated or bulging discs, we also use non-surgical spinal decompression with manual traction adjustments. You see, this gentle treatment creates negative pressure on the spine, allowing discs to retract and inflammation to decrease and then nerves to calm down. So paired with chiropractic care and core strengthening, decompression can be life-changing. We also offer shockwave therapy known as EPAT, or extracorporeal pulse-activated technology, for stubborn or chronic lower back pain. This breakthrough treatment sends acoustic waves deep into the tissues to break up scar tissue, increase blood flow, and accelerate cellular healing. It's completely non-invasive, painless, and takes about 10 minutes per session. Patients often describe it as warm and relaxing, and they leave feeling better, often after just a few visits. So whether your back pain is new or something you've been living with for years, whether it started with a sports injury or a car accident or poor posture, or maybe just life catching up with you, we want you to really know that there's hope. At Align Chiropractic, we treat the full spectrum of lower back conditions, from bulging and herniated discs, sciatica, degenerative disc disease, spinal stenosis, SI joint pain, facet joint pain, muscle strains, and postural imbalances. And we don't just treat the symptoms. We focus on the root cause so your results are real and they're lasting. If your back pain is affecting your work or your sleep or your ability to just live life without limitations, if you're tired of managing pain and you really want to start eliminating it, this could truly be the turning point the moment that you finally start feeling better, moving better, living without pain that's holding you back. So please don't wait until it gets worse.